Unlock the secrets to finding truly accurate property comparables, the backbone of smart real estate investing, right within Propstream. First, let's pinpoint your target property. Enter its address directly into the search bar at the top of your Propstream dashboard. This is where our journey begins to uncover its true market value. Once your property loads, you'll see its core details now. Look for the Comps tab or button, usually located prominently on the Property Details page. Click this to activate Propstream's powerful comparable search engine. Here's where we refine our search for the best comparables. On the left-hand side, you'll find a range of powerful filters for strong comps. We want to narrow down by key criteria. Start with property type, residential, condo, townhome, etc., ensuring you're comparing apples to apples. Next, adjust the bedrooms and bathrooms to match your subject property as closely as possible. This is critical for accuracy. Don't underestimate the power of square footage either. Aim for a range generally within 10–15% of your subject property's size. Now let's conquer distance. The distance filter is your best friend for most residential properties. A range of 1 to 5 miles is a good starting point. You can expand this if necessary. But remember, proximity influences value. Crucially, consider the sale date. We want recent sales to reflect current market conditions. Aim for sales within the last 6 to 12 months. You can also filter by sale type, focusing on sold properties and excluding foreclosures or short sales if you're looking for standard arm's-length transactions. With your filters applied, Propstream will present a list of potential comparables. Review these carefully. You'll see key data points like sale price, square footage, and days on market. Look for properties with similar features, age, and condition to your subject property. For even deeper analysis, click on any individual comp to view its full property details, including photos, historical sales, and more. This is where you'll truly build confidence in your comparable selection. By systematically applying these filters and reviewing your results, you'll create a reliable set of comparables that empower you to accurately assess fair market value and make financially sound investment decisions.